this is us. 12:41, let's go inside. Well, hello. What's going on? What are we doing? Where are we? Are we at Disney, but we're at the beach? We are. We are at the DVC in Vero Beach. Very exciting. I will say, at the beginning of this video, it is late. We have arrived late. So, it is evening. As you can see, you cannot see out the door. We're in a studio, DVC studio, standard view. And we're gonna give you a little room tour here, but then we're gonna show you it again in the morning so you can see it in the light, because it is quite late. Our flight was rather delayed, but we made it, so it's all good. All right, so first thing when you come in, got a nice couch here, and this also folds out into a bed, so you've got another sleeper, so that you can have four people in this, or four people can sleep in this room. You've got a nice queen size bed, I'm gonna say, over here, with a dresser, phone, resort information, beach information, and 2 USBs and 2 regular plugs for your charging. You've also got 2 drawers down here for storage and a little shelf. Nice. There is also, oh, nope, there's not. I fibbed. There is not underbed storage. So, but that bed looks so comfortable. Oh my gosh, especially after a long day of traveling. That looks fantastic. Now out that door over there, that is the balcony. We're gonna show you that in the daytime. We'll insert that now. Okay, now it's daytime. Now we can see the balcony. It's a little wet. It's kind of windy and rainy today, but come out. Oh, it's not bad. Yeah. It's windy, so the sound's gonna be bad, so I'll probably have to re-record this, but it's our little patio. It's a nice sized patio. A couple of chairs, table, sit out here. Yeah. We're on the 3rd floor. And we have an ocean view. Look at that. Look at that. We totally have an ocean view. Okay, so I came back inside so that the sound is a little bit better. Got the door closed. This is a really excellent view. When you book the DVC's regular studios, the deluxe studios here at Vero Beach, the view is kind of roll the dice. You don't know. You can't book an ocean view. It's just kind of spinning the wheel. What you get, you might get lucky like we did, or you might have a view of the parking lot. It just depends on what building and where your room is facing. So we got totally lucky. I'm so excited. Maybe tomorrow the weather will be a little bit nicer and we'll be able to see the sunrise. Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, right now we're gonna take you back to the room tour. And we're back. Now it's evening. This is our check-in night. We've got some lovely artwork over here on the wall. Very pretty light. Lovely table and chairs over here. Do your sitting, do some work, have some breakfast, all kinds of nice things. And then you have a couple of recycling bins right here for garbage. This is the lock-off over here if you had the 2-bedroom. On the other side of that is the 1-bedroom. We are in the studio. And then you have the bathroom back here. But first, let me show you the big screen TV and more storage. 6 drawers, and you've got your SmartCast for your computer. If you want to SmartCast onto the TV, you can do that. And you've also got several plugs, 2 regular on each side, and also 2 USBs. So now, let's go over back here into the bathroom. Right over here you have the closet. And you can unpack several hangers, extra pillow and blanket, rack down there for your luggage, ironing board and iron, as well as your safe. And what I believe is a pack and play, but I'm not positive. I think that's pack and play for the little ones. All right. Then, before we go into the bathroom, over here across from the closet, you have the microwave and kitchen area. A little storage up here with your plates, cups, toaster, paper towels, things that you would need. Got the Keurig down here for your coffee, all the pots, creamers and things, cups, ice bucket, can opener, wine opener, towels, dish soap, sink, and try to put that bag away. A little bit of storage under here too. And then you have your chiller down here, a little mini fridge, which we've already filled up with a bunch of water. Of course, you gotta stay hydrated, some of Ernie's food. There's no freezer option, but Bell Services has a freezer, so if you have something that needs to stay frozen, they can take it for you, no worries. Got a lovely full-length mirror here on the door as you head over into the bathroom. Ernie's checking it out. And we'll come in here, and another makeup mirror over here. Pretty lights. One sink, a little bit of counter space, not a ton, but we can make do. You've got drawers on either side, that's nice for storage. And you've got your H2O Plus products right there, very good. Kleenex, towels in the shape of a Mickey. I would call that a hidden Mickey, yes. A little hidden Mickey right there. And the lovely shower and tub, which looks fantastic, especially after a very long day of traveling. H2O Plus products there mounted on the wall, towels, and you are set to go. Oh, here you go. Also, your bath towels over here behind the door. Looking good. Very excited to stay here. We're here for 2 nights before we go up to Orlando to the Disney World Resort proper. We decided to come here to the beach because we've never stayed here before. It's a brand new experience. We're very excited. And yeah, we're gonna continue this in the morning where you get some sleep and give you guys a better look, show you our views, all the good things. Got some really cool sea turtle art there on the wall. I like it a lot. And yeah, this is gonna be great. Very excited. Are you excited? I am totally excited. Okay, we're gonna see you guys tomorrow when it's daylight. Right now, we're gonna go to bed because it's late. Okay, we will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.